Guys, we're cooking my favorite Thai green curry, eringi mushroom, trumpet mushroom, guys. You can put whatever vegetables you like, but this is the usual that I do. Paprika, carrot, okra, because I love okra, eggplant, and potato. Then I just put 2 coconut milk. If it's not creamy yet, I'm gonna put another one. And this is the green curry paste that I use, and I put lime leaves because I cannot find something that galangal fresh, so I just use this one. Okay, gamitin natin yan, guys, kasi parang hindi na tayo gagawa ng paste. So you have to saute this one in 2 tables cooking oil, and then your chicken. Okay, we don't have chicken to wait. And guys, it's almost more than a kilo. Kana? 750. Almost, yeah. 1.2 kilo. Mga ganon, guys. Of tebasaki. That's wings, chicken wings. Some uses breast of chicken, but I think it's more flavorful with when the meat that you use with bone. Okay, guys. Ayan. Let's start cooking. First, I fry my veggies para maganda yung texture ng vegetables. Halfway cooked the veggies. Guys, niray ko na. Halfway cook na yan. Hindi pa siya luto-luto para lang mag-nobas yung color ng texture ng gulay. Fry ko lang siya saglit, and then I'm gonna start cooking na. Dun tayo sa main cooking. So the vegetable will look brown when you put it in your bake. Okay. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then put your curry paste. Put your curry paste until you start its aroma. Then you put your baby chicken and the coconut milk. And guys, put the 2 cans of coconut milk. Okay, then let it simmer. I added the vegetables. I'm gonna put the caper leaves later for the aroma. Okay, guys, let it simmer. Our green curry, Thai green curry, chicken green curry, né? Okay, cover it with a lid and wait until it's cooked. Okay, guys, luto na po ang ating green curry. Ayan na po. Let's eat dinner. Baon ko, guys, papasok kasi today. Then iwan ko yung iba kay mother. Tapos ayan, patikman ko sa aking friends sa office. Kain tayo, guys, masarap yan, promise. Okay, always cook with love. Ayan, cook and prepare with love, guys. My special Thai green curry. Sarap yan.
Love is